Welcome back to Forex Mastery, from zero to hero. This is episode 14, Scaling and Automation. If you've made it this far, you're not just learning how to trade, you're starting to think like a professional. You've learned the basics, built consistency, survived live trading, and now, it's time to grow. This episode is about scaling your performance, responsibly, and introducing automation tools that can take your trading to the next level. Before we go further, this content is for educational purposes only. Trading Forex involves significant risk and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research and use proper risk management. Your decisions are your responsibility. Let's get into it. There comes a point in every trader's journey where things start to click. You're no longer just testing ideas, you're executing a plan. You're seeing consistent setups. You're staying calm during drawdowns. You're not perfect, but you're getting stronger. This is the stage where many traders start to ask, when do I scale up? Scaling is the art of increasing your position size to grow your profits, without blowing up your account. Sounds simple. But there's a catch. If you scale too soon or too aggressively, your emotions will catch up with you. And they'll ruin everything you've built. So let's talk about how to scale responsibly. First rule: never scale based on feelings. Only scale based on data. You need at least 3 to 6 months of consistent trading results, live, not demo, before you increase your lot size. That means following your plan, hitting your targets, and sticking to your rules under pressure. Second, scale gradually. If you were trading 0.01 lots per position, go to 0.02, not 0.10. Slow growth is smart growth. Give your psychology time to adapt. You're not just growing your account, you're growing your mindset. Your brain needs to normalize larger risk before it can handle it calmly. Third, use a risk-based approach. Never scale by just adding bigger lot sizes. Instead, calculate your lot size based on a fixed percentage of your capital, for example, risking 1% per trade. As your account grows, your position size adjusts automatically. This is called risk-adjusted growth, and it's the foundation of professional trading. Now, scaling is about more than just increasing profits. It's also about increasing efficiency. That's where automation comes in. You've probably heard of EAs, Expert Advisors, and scripts in MetaTrader. But what exactly are they? An Expert Advisor is a program you run on your trading platform that can analyze the market and automatically place, modify, or close trades for you based on a set of rules. A script is a smaller automation tool that performs a one-time action, like closing all trades, opening multiple orders, or managing trailing stops. Why does this matter for you? Because scaling isn't just about size, it's about systems. Manual trading is powerful, but it has limitations. Your time, your attention, your energy, all of these are finite. Automation allows you to scale your operations without scaling your stress. You can monitor multiple pairs, run multiple strategies, trade while you sleep. But let's be clear, automation is not a shortcut. It's not a cheat code. It's a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good as the trader behind it. If you don't understand your own strategy, automating it will only speed up your losses. So how do you start with automation? Step 1. Define your edge clearly. You need a rule-based system. That includes entry conditions, exit rules, stop-loss logic, take-profit targets, and trade management rules. The more specific your system, the easier it is to automate. Step 2. Learn the basics of MQL5, the coding language behind Expert Advisors in MetaTrader 5. You don't need to be a full-time programmer. There are many templates, tutorials, and forums. But understanding the logic will help you test and improve your systems. Step 3. Backtest your EA. Run it through historical data. Measure win rate, drawdown, profit factor, and average trade duration. Don't trust an EA until you've seen how it performs in multiple conditions. Step 4. Forward test it on a demo account, then a small live account, just like you did with your manual trading. Automation doesn't remove risk. It simply delegates the execution. You still need to supervise and refine it. Now let's talk psychology again. Many traders think that automation will fix their emotions. But here's the truth. Automation reveals your discipline. If your EA is losing money, will you tweak it constantly? Will you abandon it after a bad week? Will you revenge code a new bot out of frustration? Scaling with automation requires the same mindset as manual trading: patience, data, logic, and emotional control. Here's another reality. Some traders use semi-automated systems. For example, they scan the market manually but let the bot execute entries and exits. Others automate only part of their trading, like trailing stops or risk management. You don't have to go full auto to benefit. You can start small. The real benefit of automation is consistency. A well-coded EA doesn't second-guess itself. It doesn't skip trades because of fear. It doesn't break rules out of boredom. That consistency, when combined with a good system, is what makes automation powerful. But there's a danger too. Once traders experience passive execution, they become addicted to ease and stop improving their edge. Don't fall into that trap. Keep learning. Keep testing. Let the machine execute, but stay in charge of the vision. Let's recap the keys to scaling and automation. Scale only after proving consistency in live conditions. Grow position size gradually, based on fixed risk percentages. Use automation to enhance efficiency, not as a replacement for skill. Build and test rule-based systems before going live with EAs. Maintain control, emotionally and strategically. As you grow, this is how pros think. Scaling isn't about getting rich fast. It's about growing correctly. Automation isn't about removing effort. It's about optimizing what already works. In trading, slow and scalable beats fast and fragile every time. So if you're ready to grow, do it with discipline. Do it with a plan. And do it knowing that scaling and automation are not the end of your journey, they're just the next level. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into building your own expert advisor, even if you've never coded before. We'll walk you through the logic, tools, and mindset required to bring your system to life. Stay tuned. The world of algorithmic trading is just getting started.